Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for supporting our videos. How to replace your reverse light switch, a step-by-step guide. Reverse lights are vital for vehicle safety, signaling to others that you're backing up. When they fail, it not only puts you at risk but can also lead to hefty fines. Common symptoms of a faulty reverse light switch include lights that flicker, don't turn on at all, or stay on continuously. Replacing a faulty switch can restore your reverse lights to optimal function. This guide will walk you through the steps to diagnose and fix the issue, ensuring you stay safe and compliant on the road. Understanding the reverse light switch. The reverse light switch is a small but critical component of your vehicle's electrical system. When you shift into reverse, it's the switch that lights up your reverse lights, letting others know you're backing up. Let's break down its functionality and common issues. Functionality of the reverse light switch. The reverse light switch is usually located near the transmission or gear shift. Here's a simple rundown of how it works. 1. Activation. When you put your car in reverse, the gear shift engages the switch. 2. Electrical connection. This engagement completes an electrical circuit. 3. Signal transmission. The completed circuit sends a signal to the reverse lights. 4. Illumination. As a result, the reverse lights on your vehicle illuminate, alerting others that you're backing up. Think of it as a small trigger that completes a loop, allowing electricity to flow and power your reverse lights. Without this switch, the reverse lights wouldn't know when to turn on or off. Common issues and symptoms. Identifying a faulty reverse light switch isn't hard if you know what to look for. Here are some common problems you might face. 1. Lights not turning on. If your reverse lights don't illuminate when you shift into reverse, the switch could be malfunctioning. 2. Flickering lights. Reverse lights that flicker can indicate a poor connection or a failing switch. 3. Lights staying on permanently. If the lights stay on even when you're not in reverse, the switch might be stuck in the on position. Experiencing any of these issues? It's a good indicator that your reverse light switch needs some attention. Ignoring these signs can not only impair your visibility while backing up but also put you at risk of getting a ticket for faulty lights. Keeping your reverse light switch in good condition ensures your car communicates effectively with others on the road, enhancing both your safety and compliance. Tools and materials needed for replacement. Replacing your reverse light switch might seem daunting, but with the right tools and materials, it's a manageable job you can tackle yourself. Below is a comprehensive list of what you'll need to get started. Essential tools. When diving into a reverse light switch replacement, having the right tools is crucial. Here's what you should gather. 1. Socket set. A variety of sockets will help you loosen and tighten bolts of different sizes. 2. Screwdrivers. Both flathead and Phillips screwdrivers are important for removing panels and screws. 3. Multimeter. This tool is essential for checking the electrical connections and ensuring everything is functioning correctly. Having these tools ready will make the process smoother and prevent any frustrating delays. Think of them as the building blocks of your car repair toolkit. Materials. Now that you've got your tools, let's talk about the materials you'll need. These items are just as important to ensure the job gets done right. 1. New reverse light switch. This is your main replacement part. 1. Make sure it's the correct match for your vehicle make and model. 2. Electrical tape. Ideal for securing any wire connections and preventing short circuits. 3. Replacement wiring. Occasionally, the wiring may also need replacing if it shows signs of wear or damage. By preparing these materials in advance, you're setting yourself up for a successful and efficient replacement process. Imagine trying to bake a cake without all the ingredients, it just wouldn't work out well. The same goes for this repair. With these tools and materials in hand, you're ready to move on to the actual replacement process. Up next, we'll dive into the step-by-step instructions that will guide you through changing out your faulty reverse light switch. Step-by-step guide to replacing the reverse light switch. Replacing your reverse light switch doesn't have to be complicated. By following these clear steps, you can ensure the process goes smoothly and safely. Let's get started. Preparation and safety precautions. Before you jump in, it's crucial to take a few safety measures. These steps ensure you don't damage your vehicle or injure yourself. 1. Disconnect the battery. Always start by disconnecting your car's battery. 1. This prevents any accidental electrical shocks or shorts. 2. Work in a well-lit area. Find a well-lit workspace. 2. Good lighting helps you see all the small parts and connections clearly. 3. Wear safety gear. Safety glasses and gloves can protect you from potential hazards. By taking these precautions, you're setting yourself up for a safe and successful replacement. Locating the reverse light switch. Finding the reverse light switch is your next task. It's usually found in one of two places. 1. Near the gear shifter. Some vehicles have the switch located near the gear shifter. 1. This is common in manual transmissions. 2. On the transmission. For many automatic transmissions, the switch is situated on the transmission itself. Check your vehicle's manual for the exact location. It often has diagrams that can guide you. Removing the faulty switch. Once you've located the switch, it's time to remove it. Follow these steps. 1. Disconnect the wiring. Carefully unplug the wiring connected to the switch. 1. Make sure to remember where each wire goes. 2. Unscrew the switch. Use an appropriate wrench or socket to remove the bolts holding the switch in place. 3. Extract the switch. Gently pull out the faulty switch. 3. Be mindful not to damage any surrounding parts. Removing the switch carefully ensures that you don't cause any additional issues. Thanks for watching part 1 of our guide on replacing your reverse light switch. Be sure to check out part 2 where we'll dive into the installation process. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.